Hi guys, Shep from Laser Tools here. Here we are again, another week. In this week's episode, we're going to cover some popular products from the Laser Tools range and also some new products that have just been introduced into the range. Let's have a look what we've got for you. So guys, the first product we've got to show you today is new into the Laser Tools range and it's part of the new PPE range. We have our Laser Tools sneeze screen. Ideal for your reception areas, counters, and it also provides protection for you and the customer, but also has room underneath for passing objects through. The next product we got to show you today, guys, is also new into the PPE range, and it is these AntiSlip floor stickers, which clearly show you your 2 metre distancing as required in the current climate. They're self-adhesive and non-slip. These stickers come in a pack of 6. So while I'm here, let's take a look at one of the popular products from the Laser Tools range. We have our 4554 tap and die set. Very comprehensive bit of kit this. It covers from 2mm to 18mm, all metric, and it has between 3 and 4 different pitches across the range of the threads. Across the range of tap sizes within this kit, you will see that you've got 2 taps per size. One is your taper tap and one is your plug tap. If you do happen to damage or lose any of these taps within this kit, we do all the spares for them as a separate item. Also within the kit, in the lid part here, we have 2 tap handles and 2 die handles. One of the problems also when using taps we find in some instances where you can't get access. So what we have introduced now, new into the range, is this other product, which are tap sockets. These are magnetic square drive sockets, and simply, if we grab a tap out of here, these are magnetic and hold the tap. So in difficult to access areas, we could put an extension on and access that way. That's if we can't get in there with our T-bars. So here we have one of our very popular items from the Laser Tools range, our hands-free suspension arm lever tool. This is totally universal and will fit across a wide range of vehicles due to its adjustability in its length. Let me show you how this attaches to the vehicle over here on this Audi. So first of all, we set the length of our adjustable chain here, nip up the grub screw, then we can attach it over the lower arm on this side of the vehicle, the opposite side to what we're going to be working. The chain here we put up and over the arm that on the side that we want to work, hook it into the tool like that. The suspension arm lever is now hanging underneath the vehicle. We then start to tighten our thread there, which pushes the foot plate up to the underside of the subframe. And now we can take a prodger and wind the arm down. What this tool actually gives us then is a suspension arm that's pulled down out of the way, so if we're doing any work above that, like a CV boot replacement or shock absorber replacement, it keeps the arm out of the way and gives you a lot more room to work. It can be used on either side of the vehicle, or in some instances also at the rear of the vehicle. This is another very popular tool from the laser tool range, our 5262 fuel priming kit. Incidentally, this kit is manufactured here in the UK. So within this kit we have a range of adapters, male and female, covering a varied range of vehicles. This is an ideal kit for priming your fuel system on your diesel vehicles where a lift pump in the tank is not fitted. Let me show you how it works. So we simply identify which adapter we need from the kit and connect it to our priming pump, connect it in line at the fuel filter end of the vehicle, ensuring that the flow arrow is pointing in the right direction, and now we can prime our system up, ensuring that all air bubbles are removed from the system, as we can see through the clear pipes here. If you've recently changed a fuel filter on a Ford or a Volvo, for instance, you'll understand the importance of this. So guys, for our final new product we've got today, we have this low pressure diesel flow test kit. So this is connected to the vehicle to check lift pump pressure from the fuel tank. Within this kit we also have a vacuum gauge, so if we've got an older vehicle with a mechanical lift style diesel pump fitted to the engine, we can also check the lift pressure of that as well. Let me show you how to connect it on this rig here. So first of all, for checking our lift pump, we select our pressure gauge, connect it to our device like so, and connect it in line on the fuel filter of the engine like so. We can now turn the ignition on from the vehicle and read our lift pump pressure while stationary, and then once you're satisfied that your priming pressure is correct, we can now start the vehicle up and check running pressure from the lift pump also. So with this connected to the feed side of the fuel filter, we've identified whether the lift pressure is correct. If for instance we have a problem with the fuel filter with flow, we can also move this now and connect it to the other side of the fuel filter and check the flow from the filter. This will then tell us whether we have a faulty or blocked fuel filter. So guys, that's me done for another week. But as always, stay connected and stay safe.